So hiya folks, I thought I'd just do a quick update, well, I'm meaning to do an update on this biochar, and here are the plants. Now, I did have a problem with watering, so I might have lost some seedlings due to the fact that they started and then dried up. Not very scientific of me, I know. And I had a bit of space problem because I did have a lot of the plants in when I started this, so really some of this I'd like to have potted it up a bit more. But as a result, sort of what's happening so far, this is the 5%. Don't know what happened here, but I've got the biggest tomato in 5%. That's the 10%. I've got three there I suppose, but nothing in that one. And the control is this one. As to germination, I didn't do very well. I might not have planted them all nice and even, you know, at right depth. I'll probably do another try, but yeah, I've got some results. The biggest broccoli is in the 5%. The peppers, now I've got 2 peppers in the control, 1 pepper in the 5% and 1 pepper in the 10%. So I mean that might tell you something. Although there is another little start there in that one. So I would say biggest plants, what I'm looking at so far, are in the biochar. But we'll have to see. I would have liked to have done it with bigger pots really. So, but it's not a fail. But I wasn't very scientific, and as I said, I wasn't very good with the watering for some reason. But some other news is the pepper I brought in and saved from the garden, and the ones that I've took some seeds off, I've got 5 seedlings off this. It's fruited. I got fed up with picking flowers off it, and all of a sudden one appeared, and now I've got 5 peppers on it, so I'm quite pleased with that. This is the tomato, which I really had a lot of problems with Halva sorted that out for me. It couldn't perspire. I can't think of the exact word what he said it were, but I brought it out here, snipped all most of the bad leaves off, and it got a bit more air around it, and it's perked up a bit. And the grow room I've pretty much cleared out because I've left all weekend. I was getting stuff out and potting up and moving it out into garden where I could under cover, but I've kept a few things in. These are other tomatoes from that. It's actually budding up now, this tomato plant. My peppers, I really ought to trim these again because these are all flowering. I don't want them flowering now, so I need to top them again probably. And kiwis, they're my little kiwis. They've really all started shooting up now. They took a bit of time, and I was looking through seeds to see what else I could get in, and I found some papaya seeds. So I'm going to have to try papaya because I've got my lychees. This pineapple doesn't look like it's doing much, but it is alive because I was going to throw it out the other day, and it's got roots on it. It's just not doing very. It's not doing very much. It's putting on green stuff. I've got another one in kitchen in water, which is doing really well. What I put in about 2 weeks after this. But that down to Ray, the Praxis channel. I thought I've got to try that. So I think if it survives, I'll call it Ray. And everything else, really, what I had, I've been munching on it. You know, I was sort of this is a bee. I just kept it in for fun, but it's been great. I've been nibbling on it. When I trim the biochar stuff out, I'm going to nibble that. It's going in a salad. Oh, these are some melons, and this is that's an eggplant. I've got some more what I've took outside and put under cover, but that's about it. Okay, thanks for looking, chaps, and catch you later.